Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease text box size in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now I'll increase this text box size. You can increase this text box size two ways. First way is press and hold shift key from your keyboard and increase this text box and remaining same ratio. And second way, simply increase this text box ups and down and this way, and press and hold shift key from your keyboard. You can increase, decrease, remaining same ratio. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.